And the Pub Sisters!
Hi!
Busy playing their tablet?
We're not busy. We can still hear you. Of course. Gonna change? Nope. Don't.
You like camping, Pub Sisters?
Yeah. Camping. Uy! Oh my God. What is this? It went back. Fire.
Ako yung kabet.
Lagi daw sumasabit.
Lagi sumasabit. Yan na, ako na naman siya ang kalaban. Ay! Kalaban. Paypayan.
Oh, sarap nito.
Akala ko kami.
So, dito na po ang mga ano.
Hello, vlog!
Ang mga, ano ba kayo?
Tagaluto.
Tagaluto, tagakuha ng isda. Actually, ito po, huli nila to. Huli sa likod.
Psyche Vlogs.
Psyche Vlog.
Subscribe, like, and share. Siya po ang pasimuno ng mga vlogs na yan.
And comment below.
And comment below. Ang buhay sa bukid.
So, ano lang. Oh, ang samahan tingin eh. Matutulong na rin, tingin pang iba eh. Ito lang yung Psyche, oh. Hindi marunong magdakot.
Masanay ka na, Psyche. Hindi, masanay ka na dumakot.
Gigil na gigil dumakot eh. Gigil na gigil dumakot eh.
Going to get the fish!
What do you have?
Flashlight.
Flashlight. Okay, let's go.
Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's go. It's really muddy, ain't it? It's really wet back there.
Oh, go to Ninong Michael. Careful, huh? Careful. Muddy.
Yeah, I know. It's already muddy, but I can't see. Wait, where's the flashlight? Show the way if it's muddy or not. Wait, it's muddy there. Whoa, whoa there. Let's go! No, steady poo poo. Go back, there's no
fish.
No fish. We didn't catch the fish. We didn't catch the fish. Let's go get our own fishing rods. What? Hello, so bad. Sino nagbantay natin? Wala na tayong bantay. So we didn't find the fish. Why? My heart. I see in the light. See the man say okay. Can I see Hunter inside? And the man say okay. But I didn't promise. Let's go, Nina Michael.
Where?
I see. To say it. Where are you going? I'm gonna go too. Yes! Whoa! Whoa! Oh wow! So fascinating. Oh, the copyright inside. May background music. Look! A square! Oh man, this is the greatest. Oh my goodness!
Oh my goodness!
What's that?
He got rocks! What kind of shape is that? Oh, it's a cucumber. There! A cucumber rock. Huh? Wow! Look, look. I have
What?
one too. I have one
What do
too,
you-
see?
Oh yes. What are you going to take?
Me. What is that?
You selfie.
What is that? Nothing. I have one like Daddy, remember? I can't take a selfie.
Is it cold?
Yes, really.
Hello, mommy.
Come on, let's go explore. Yeah. It's drizzling, I think.
Drizzling? No,
Inside here. Look at everything. Don't waste our time.
just moist.
Moist. The dew. Let's go.
These are our tents.
Ibukas mo yung ano. Mommy, can we go up?
Just be careful. Hello. Your hoodie, ate? Yes, your hoodie. It's too cold. Yes.
Look at the view and
Look at the view here, guys.
wait. Woo!
Wow.
You can even sit
Wow.
It's not real grass. It's just pretend.
How about pay? Yeah.
Hello, guys. Look at
Ate, your hoodie.
Yes, I was just putting up fabric so I can take some good photos of you. Okay, come on. Let's check here.
Fish. Fish pond.
Wow.
We have the toilet there. Another fish pond.
I'm gonna take a picture of silly there. I'm gonna take a picture of Mommy. Oh, I can't see her. Well, I can see her there. Mommy, take a picture, please. Oh, over there. Can't really see her. Ah, there we are. There we go.
And the Pub sisters, they are taking photos also. Hello. Pepe, where are you going? Going down?
No, I have one. Look, Daddy, it's bright.
Are you having fun here?
Yeah, look at the water there. See that? It's natural. Ooh, there. You see me. I love people walking a row. Let's go. Come on, it's so
We're going down. It's a little bit cold here. Be careful, guys.
Mommy, you're a zombie. Am I? What's that? What's that? Beautiful rocks and grass. And what's that? That's me. Wow, yummy pork.
Oh. Kaya mo na!
Nalaka.
Palmar!
Kanta na, Tita Sai.
Palmar! Asan ang kanta?
Nasa iyo.
This.
Ha?
Oh no, there's a monster.
Ang laki naman.
Hello!
Ouch! If it was just there, I told you. Maybe it's not there in my bag.
Pepe!
I need to turn into our tablet because it changed pasta. Init tayo dito.
Kuha kay Daddy dali.
Tapos na po ang camping. We pack our things already. Hello, Hunter. Five sisters.
Stop stepping on me, Hunter. Kiss, kiss, kiss.
No more. All cleaned. We pack our things. There.
Oh, bakit?
Ready to go.
Parang pinifeel mo masyado, sabi ka.
Their best friend. Ati's best friend. And Pepe's best friend too.
Ay, awag mo ang sanayin ng nag-ano. Hindi na siya nag-ano.
Ata namin para mag-change yung ano.
Come on, Hunter.
Hunter! Hunter! Lawlaw!
Oh, I'm still going to play. I'm still going to play. Wow. Still going to play.
In their house.
Huh? You're going?
Good boy.
Yes.
Good boy. Real good boy.
Hunter.
Good boy.
Hunter!
Wow. Say hello.
You have fun?
Yes. I have fun digging a hole.
Ano namin?
Atae.
Thanksgiving tayo afternoon. Tapos isabay natin.
May shampoo pala doon. Hindi ko nakita ko agad yun. Piliguan ko to.
I want to go here.
Palaro. Thanksgiving, tapos sabay natin.
Saan?
Kunwari, after
Hunter!
Thanksgiving.
Hunter! Sit!
We're planning po.
Hindi, Thanksgiving.
Hunter,
They're still busy playing.
Nakikihawak sa
Hunter.
puwet.
Mag-ano tayo ng suri. Over
Gotta move. Can I?
Kanya.
Oo.
Hindi nyo pa na-experience yun.
This.
Doon din sa pinuntahan natin. May ano din.
I promise I won't let go like the last time we went here.
This one. This one.
Damon ba yan? Pwede doon, no?
Oh, so cute.
Sure, you can hold.
How'd you carry him? Last time you can carry him when he was running around the house. Remember Ninang Michelle's new house?
Yeah, because he was,
When he was young.
lighter. He was lighter that time. But now I think he is already 17 kilograms.
What?
18. 18 na yan.
It's not even 18.
18 kilograms.
Not heavy.
Hindi siya yung makain, ha?
Import dito. Pinarito lahat. Maubos niya. Bago apat na nilagang
Kala
dito.
ko kinakain niya.
Don't let us go like that.
So, let's go home! Bye-bye!
Bye-bye! Wait, bye-bye!
Hunter! Come! Hunter!
Bye-bye po!